Hey, it's Kyle from Midwest Aftermarket, and boy, howdy, you love your truck, and you want to make sure it looks just as good coming as it does going. That's why you got to get one of these bad boys right here. I'm talking about the Miromotto XB LED tail lights. Look at how slick these things are. I tell you what, if Batman grew up a holler in Tennessee and drove a pickup truck, he would have these on his ride, and so can you. Head on over to MidwestAftermarket.com to pick these guys up and also take a look at everything that they have to offer because, man, not only are they sweet aesthetically, I'm talking about once these things are lit up, it literally looks like a beautiful tunnel of light. It's bold, but not too gaudy, kind of like an 80s trapper keeper. Let's get down to brass tacks. These are for your Ford F-150, and they don't just look pretty, they also got a sexy soul in there too. And I'm talking about a 5-year warranty on these things too. Think about that. Think about how much different your life could be 5 years from now. Heck, you could still have these tail lights and a whole new wife. Ugh, maybe not. Again, man, these are the way to go. I'm talking about IP67 waterproof. What in God's name does that mean? That's okay. We had to Google it too. It's water resistant for up to 3 feet of water for 30 minutes. If your truck is underwater for longer than 30 minutes, you got bigger problems than your tail lights. So we've already talked about how sexy they are, how you can pick them up, why they look the way they do, and how durable they are. What about the installation process? Well, good news there too, because you don't gots to call old Cooter to come over from the garage and spend about $300 and half a can of Vienna sausages to install these bad boys. No, sir. They're plug and play. They pop right in your truck. They look beautiful, and they do so easily with a couple of household tools. So, the Miromotto XB LED tail lights. I know you're salivating all over the place. I'm going to go ahead and let you run and get a napkin because we're going to be wrapping up the video. It's MidwestAftermarket.com. That's the website to go to pick these guys up. Also, you can pick up the phone and give us a call if you have any questions, but make sure you grab them now. Because trust me, you want to look sleek, you want to look sexy, you want a Miromotto. It's Kyle with Midwest Aftermarket. We'll see you next time.